As mains is around the corner, we have been getting lots of queries. And one of the most important and frequently asked questions is what should I know as part of scholarships which are offered at Mirai School of Technology? Here is everything that as a candidate you should know. There are 4 kinds of scholarships. Number 1 is merit-based scholarship. If you are a meritorious student who have secured well in 10th and 12th and performs really well in our mains test as well as interviews, then you can stand to gain up to 100% scholarship. That's right, up to 100% scholarship in Mirai School of Technology as part of our merit scholarship program. Number 2 is CodeHER Scholarship, which is a very special scholarship that we have launched for all the female students who are joining us. We really promote girls in STEM education and are happy to offer scholarships up to 25% to all the female candidates who are applying at Mirai School of Technology. Number 3 is Armed Forces Scholarship. If you are a student coming in from Armed Forces family, you can secure up to 20% scholarship at Mirai School of Technology. We really value the kind of commitment, honor and integrity your family has shown towards the nation, and this is our way to say thank you. Number 4 is need-based scholarship, where every student who is coming from underprivileged family can avail up to 25% scholarship at Mirai School of Technology. One of our core beliefs at Mirai is that every deserving student who has the hunger to grow must get the opportunity to do so. The process to apply for scholarships at Mirai is pretty simple. You have to appear for your mains exam, followed by an interview. You have to do a very good job to make sure that you get selected. And once you do, all the scholarships for which you are eligible, you are automatically considered for them. This is the year. You have put in the effort and you have the right to aim big. Next 4 years will determine the next 40 years of your life. Your future in tech starts with one decision. Make it today. Apply now at Mirai School of Technology.